very warm good afternoon to all of you, dear students. Today I would like to start with my new chapter, that is how do organisms reproduce. First of all, student, you must know the meaning of each and every word. How do organism? Organism means these are those individuals which contain organs. Okay, reproduce. What does it mean? How they will form the individual of their own kind. Okay, so by this we came to know that what is the definition of reproduction. So student, reproduction, it is the ability of an organism to produce the individual of its own kind. What does it mean? It means that human beings will produce only human. Okay? Elephant will give birth to elephant only. Students, ever you thought that why human always give birth to human and elephant give birth to elephant only? Yes. There is some information that is transferred from the parents to their offspring. Okay, and that information is present in the DNA. Okay, deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, this DNA contains various genes, okay, that are responsible for the various features of our body. Understood? So students, I hope so that you have got an idea about reproduction. Students, but before that, you must know that why do organisms reproduce? Why do organisms reproduce? Make it sure that reproduction is not at all a life process. If it would be a life process, then it must be necessary to each and every individual. But we have seen in our surroundings that many couples are there which can't reproduce. So what does it mean? That they are not living? They are living, okay? But reproduction is important only to continue its own species. Okay? I hope so that you have understood the deep meaning behind this. Okay? So students, if I talk about myself only, okay, do I am exact copy of my parents? Or you can take your own example. Are you identical to your parents? No, not at all. Okay. So how those variations occur? How those changes occur? What is the importance of variation in your body? The importance of variation in your body is that, student, it allows you to survive in a drastic condition. It is normal sayings that children are always 4 steps ahead than their parents. Yes or no? Yes. बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स से 4 कदम आगे होते हैं. What does it mean? It means that children are more developed than their parents. Why? Because parents always try to transfer some useful, okay, features to their children. Okay, and in that case only it is known as development. I hope so that you have got an idea that what is the importance of variation in our body. Okay, and variation always occur in your sexual reproduction. Okay, so here I have used the word sexual reproduction. It means that there is one another kind of reproduction also. Yes, there is, student. Okay, reproduction, it is of 2 types, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay, so how to write? Okay, like this. First of all, I will take parents. Okay, how many parents are involved in asexual reproduction? Asexual means without any sexual activity. Okay, only one parent is involved. Okay, we will study about asexual reproduction in detail with the passage of time. Okay, and in case of your sexual reproduction, 2 parents are involved. If I talk about sex organ, okay, it does not involve any sex organ, okay, but it is involved in case of your sexual reproduction, that is testes in case of male and ovaries in case of your females. Then next is your gamete. If no sex organ means no gametes, and gametes are present, okay. If I talk about fertilization, if no gametes, then how fertilization will occur? What is fertilization? It is the fusion of male and female gametes, okay. And last is, student, your variation. Variation does not occur here, it occurs here, okay. And if I talk about evolution, there is no importance of evolution in case of asexual, okay. Why? Because there is no variation, whereas it occurs in this case, okay. I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea. In this we have just studied about the definition of reproduction, about DNA, and about different type of reproduction, that is asexual and sexual. I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea, but if still there is any query, please feel free to call me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.